Alright, we're talking about exponents. See how many you can do before I have to stop here. So we've got x to the m over x to the n is equal to x to the m minus n. Okay? So, in other words, if I've got x to the 4 over x to the 2, it's equal to x to the 4 minus 2, which would be x to the 2. Well, why is that? Well, let's look at what's really happening. This is saying we have 4 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4. This down here is saying we have 2 x's. X times x. Okay, so we look at this and say, well, you know what? This x cancels that x cancels that x. So what am I left with? 2 x's. Okay, so using that rule, we have this other rule. It says x to the 0 equals a 1. Okay, so any number except for 0 to the 0 power is 1. Okay, and that's true of any number. Well, why is that? Well, let's look at this rule again. Okay, let's say that m and n are equal. Okay, so let's plug an m into here. We look at this and say, well, we've got x to the m over x to the m. Well, what is any number over itself? It's equal to a 1, right? 50 over 50, 1. 100 over 100, 1. Negative 20 over negative 20, 1. Okay? X over x, 1. Okay? X to the m over x to the m, it's equal to a 1. Okay? So why is x to the 0 equal to a 1? We'll use this rule here. X to the bottom minus the top. Well, what's any number minus itself? It's a 0. So this would be an x to the 0. So that's why x to the 0 power is always a 1. Unless, of course, x is a 0.